Daddy. That's the daddy.
So where are we going?
Where are we going? We're going to the falls.
Hello.
We go up to a waterfall. Oh.
Khởi canh rồi lại khởi canh rồi lại. Khởi lại canh rồi nè. Tao nuôi còn tụm lên khởi canh rồi nè. Hay lắm. Diện quá. Hỏi Hải Hương hạ sâu hạ mà. Hải Hương hạ hỏi sâu hạ.
You are sue the bear for what? The bear.
What is it?
It's just a big loop. It's just a big loop. Is this map upside down or? It's just one big loop. We'll go this way.
She wants to hold your hand.
I think you might be right, Hayden. Just comes up and down. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Is that
Maybe come back that way.
Yeah.
Bobby, Georgina.
I think they might be getting us lost. We're in the wilderness now. We're out in the middle.
What?
And I have a possum around my neck.
You can cook it.
Look, she's out like a light. Okay, we're taking your possum. I'm keeping your possum. I got your possum. Where's the other possum?
At the front.
Girls and boys. Honey.
Drone is not permitted.
No drones permitted.
Is it drone?
No go zone. We are in the midst of the jungle here, waiting for something to attack us. The most common thing in Tasmania that will attack us is a leech. So, we'll turn you around in a second. Honey, her eyes. Very chantic. Very beautiful. So beautiful, so beautiful. Beautiful. Hello, happy people! We're out in the wilderness today. We'll do some cooking for you, which I think we've already done, but we're doing the alligator and that, and snap, snap, snap. Right. Good to have you. This will be my my home. Next week we're going to do a catch, clean and cook, and so you lucky people that's watching, we'll be eating wallaby for the next week and living off echidnas, I reckon. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
Ready?
Yeah. What a lot of people don't realise as they're walking through here is the leeches from these ferns. They will drop down on you and start sucking your blood. So it's always good to have a lighter or some salt on hand, because one of us out of 10 of us are definitely going to have a leech on us, and it should be interesting. Hopefully someone gets a leech on them and we get to show you. If not, we might have to go bush and put a leech on someone. We can hear it, and it's definitely rushing. It's going to be a good waterfall day. There's yabbies in there, and there's Tasmanian lobster. There's a freshwater lobster in Tasmania. They're great big black things. Like I said, illegal to take, but Aboriginals are allowed to take them. So always good to have an Aboriginal friend, mate. Look at this. Is this magnificent or what? We are walking up through, right? It is absolutely spectacular. Look at this. Dropping over there. 2 more seconds. 1, 2. Can you see it? But can you see it? Wow. Is that magnificent or is that magnificent? He's getting wet, guys. Hey! Hey! Wow! Crocodiles! Would you look at them? Hey! Hey, what do you reckon? Hey! Now that is a waterfall. Tasmania at its best. Hey, look at that. And now it just started raining. Alright, Audrey, put your hands up, darling. 2 up, 2. Hey! Say, go put your hands up with Audrey. Yay! Now, if you'd like to see that, come to Tasmania. Only if I can get you over there going like this. Okay, you all stand over there and I'm going to get you. Mummy? What about the mama? Don't, you're going to chuck the child over the side. Go over there, go over there, go over there. Wait, wrong family. Over here, Gobber. Look at that. Hey, who wants to go for a swim? Want to go swimming? Hey, we could take our bathers off and go naked. We've been up to the waterfalls. We're on our way back now. This is just a little bridge crossing the river, which was attached to the waterfalls. Still got the kids. Okay. My beautiful wife, my young. And the baby is in there somewhere. And yeah, she can't see. But she's asleep, wasn't she? Leaves? Good boy. So it's flowing pretty fast. And you can see the waterfall coming over up there, really nice. Absolutely enchanting, absolutely beautiful. Tasmania, absolutely beautiful place to visit. My wife is actually a chef, right? So she'll cook us something very, very nice, and we'll show you their place. He built it by hand. It's actually a castle. He built a castle all by hand. Now, oh, there's trout in this river. There's yabbies in this river, commonly known as crawfish, I think they call him in America. And like I said, the black lobster, the big freshwater lobster. We're going to go back to our barbecue because we're hungry now, because we just walked for an hour. So we've just walked in here. We've found some native animals, species here from China. G'day, mate. You know, Mick from Dundee, Australia. How you going, mate? Hey. Would you like to come home with us? We can look after you. You'd like to come home with us?
No, it's a baby.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure your mummy doesn't just eat a lot?
Yeah.
Hey?
It's a baby. Aaron?
Uncle Aaron?
Uncle Aaron. Next time, can we go on this track? And...
Hey, next time, why don't we go on an aeroplane?
Oh, yeah.
You want to go on an aeroplane?
Yeah.
Like from the water? What do you reckon? We go on an aeroplane and we film that next time, eh?
Aaron.
For your YouTube channel. Yeah!
And Aaron.